Have you ever walked into a space and instantly thought, why does this look so professionally designed? It's usually not the furniture alone, it's the color combination. Designers don't just pick shades they like, they combine colors with intention, proportion, and visual hierarchy. So when you walk into the room, everything feels cohesive and elevated. In this video, you're going to see the exact color combinations designers use that most homeowners don't, and once you understand how they're structured, you'll start looking at interiors very differently. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Color combination number 1, beige plus black color. When you first look at this living room, you immediately feel calm. But if you look closer, you'll notice there's structure behind that softness. Notice how beige placed on large pieces? It is because lighter neutrals reflect both natural and artificial light. Beige dominates the painted walls and flat ceiling with pin light, then runs through the floor-to-ceiling layered curtains, low-profile sofa, upholstered lounge chair, and the large textured area rug. Because you're seeing the same light tone across the biggest surfaces, the space instantly feels wider and more open. Now notice where the black is placed. It appears in the abstract black and beige canvas artwork and the round drum-style black coffee table positioned right at the center. You'll also see small black decor objects and pillow accents subtly repeating that tone. Black is used on central furniture and decor because darker tones visually weigh more. When you concentrate them in key areas, they anchor your layout and define your focal point without making the whole room feel dark. So, if you ever use beige and black in your own space, remember this. Let the light tone wrap your walls and large furniture, and let the dark tone sit where you want attention. Color combination number 2, olive plus wood. The moment you step into this space, you feel grounded. And that feeling doesn't happen by accident. Olive works beautifully on walls and soft furnishings because matte paint and fabric soften the pigment. Here, you can see olive on the painted side walls, the upholstered mid-century accent chair, and the throw pillows. Because the color isn't everywhere, it feels intentional and controlled. Instead of spreading olive across every surface, it's framed by warm vertical wood slat paneling and built-in shelving. That framing helps you visually contain the green so it feels designed, not random. Wood then carries the structure of the room from the floating TV console cabinet to the curved edge wood coffee table and the herringbone engineered wood flooring. When you repeat wood across floors and built-ins, you ground the space and prevent the green from feeling flat. So if you want your room to feel calm but mature, let olive set the mood on walls and fabrics, and let wood carry the weight through furniture and architectural details. Color combination number 3, clay plus cream. When you walk into this room, you immediately feel warmth, but it doesn't feel heavy, and that's the key. Using cream on large background surfaces ensures that even if you introduce deeper tones, the space won't feel enclosed. It wraps the painted walls, smooth ceiling, sheer curtains, round upholstered ottoman, and patterned area rug. Because cream reflects light so well, it keeps your architecture bright and breathable. Now, look at where the clay tone is placed. You'll see it on the clay-toned 3-seater upholstered sofa and the matching leather accent armchair with slim metal legs. The earthy artwork above reinforces that same warmth. When you gather warmth around where you sit and interact, the room feels intimate without darkening the entire space. So if you're working with warm, earthy colors, keep your walls light and let the warmth live in your furniture. That separation is what keeps the space inviting instead of overwhelming. Color combination number 4, gray plus warm metal. This space shows you that bold color isn't always necessary. Sometimes impact comes from materials. Gray is used on large furniture and wall treatments because it stabilizes what you see. A sectional light gray upholstered sofa, round gray ottoman, textured area rug, and vertical gray wall panels create a calm base that doesn't compete for attention. When your larger pieces stay neutral and matte, your eyes can focus on form, silhouette, and proportion. Now, look at where the shine is placed. A sculptural ring chandelier hangs above the seating area, and a curved brass arc floor lamp adds warmth. Metallic finishes are placed on lighting and decor because reflective materials naturally attract your eyes. Designers keep them in smaller doses so they sparkle at focal points instead of overpowering the whole room. If you want a modern, refined look, keep gray on your large surfaces and let warm metal highlight key pieces. That's how you create elegance without shouting for attention. Color combination number 5, tonal layering. Notice how your eyes move gently across this space instead of jumping around. That's tonal layering at work. Instead of mixing many unrelated colors, this room builds depth using different shades of sage green. You'll see darker tones on the upholstered dining chairs, medium sage on the painted walls, and lighter sage in the full-height curtains. Because all the shades belong to the same family, the transitions feel smooth. Your eyes don't get interrupted by harsh contrast. Wood then anchors everything through the solid wood dining table with pedestal leg, sideboard storage cabinet, and herringbone wood flooring. The organic grain adds warmth and variation, so the space doesn't feel flat. So, when you try tonal layering in your own home, vary the intensity of one shade and ground it with natural materials. That's how you get calm sophistication. Color combination number 6, accent color rules. This final space teaches you something critical. Color should follow proportion. Soft beige remains the dominant envelope on painted walls, ceiling with recessed cove lighting, large upholstered sofa, and sheer curtains. When you keep your biggest surfaces neutral, your eyes get the visual rest they need. Secondary materials like vertical wood panels, built-in shelving, and a wood coffee table build structure without overpowering the base. Now this is where the teal is placed. It appears on the curved accent lounge chair, throw pillows, and the central abstract artwork. Designers confine bold color to decor and movable furniture because those are easier to adjust and less visually dominant than walls. If you remember one rule, let it be this: dominate with neutrals, support with materials, and highlight with accent color. That's how you create hierarchy instead of clutter. Now you've seen the exact color combinations designers use, and hopefully you're starting to notice the pattern. It's not about copying a color, it's about understanding where that color should live in your space. When you start placing colors intentionally on the right walls, the right furniture, and the right decor, your home immediately feels more structured and professionally designed. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.